Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 versus a Honor 8C. And Honor 8C comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor with a 3GB RAM, and both phones comes with the same the price range as well, about the same the price range, and logo came first about the same on both phones. And Honor 8C is giving you a big notch, while the Huawei Y7 is giving you a water droplet notch, just like the Oppo F9. And Honor 8C, it is very good phone in this price range, and you can see it is really faster than the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 Qualcomm Snapdragon 430. It is very bad compared to the internals that which you get on the Honor 8C, and you can see huge difference between both of these phones, about 11-second difference there between both of these phones. And you can see everything is closed up in the background, and first application is the 4 dialer, and you can see that is really faster on the Honor 8C. Y7 is right behind launching the settings, and you can see same result between both of these phones. So let's launching the calculator on both phones, and that is again just a tiny bit faster on the Honor 8C. And so let's launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and again Honor 8C, it is very good phone internal wise, and you can see it is really faster, and Y7 is also done. Let's launching the next game application is the Subway Surfer, and you can see an Honor 8C, it is very good phone when it comes of app loading team. And next up is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is better in opening apps speed. And you can see again Honor 8C, it is very faster than the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and you can see about 4 or 5-second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and just a tiny bit faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome on both phones, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and first website is the facebook.com, and that is really just a tiny bit faster on the Honor 8C, and Y7 is also done. Let's go back and launching the Wikipedia website, and you can see that is really faster on the Honor 8C, and Y7 Prime is right behind. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, same RAM size on both phones, and 3GB RAM is enough for this phone, giving you a good multitasking experience, and not refresh on the Y7 Prime as well as the Honor 8C. Honor 8C is much good internals than the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, and overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is really faster on the Honor 8C, but Huawei Y7, it is very bad phone, and RAM management is very good on both phones. Not much a difference between a Honor 8C versus the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Honor 8C versus Huawei Y7 Prime. Subscribe to my channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.